put together a simple 2-ingredient snack for fall. It has all the visual colors and the flavors of fall. I think you're gonna like it. Welcome to Heritage Ways. I'm Miss Katie from heritageways.com. Make sure you visit me over at heritageways.com for printable recipes and other content for diligent homemakers. Thanks so much for being here today. I hope you'll subscribe to Heritage Ways YouTube. Well, it is fall, y'all, and the flavors of fall are here. We're seeing all the things in the grocery stores, all the pumpkin spiced everythings and the candy and decorations. So it's just a favorite season for so many of us, like me. We're gonna make a snack today. It's 2 ingredients. You can mix it up and serve it to company or give it as little gifts to your neighbors or just sit and enjoy it while you're watching a fall movie, one of those repetitive Hallmark things, Mr. Patient. Yeah. You're gonna have to trust the process on this, especially if you don't like candy corn, which I do not. I don't typically like candy corn. I don't eat the stuff. Never did, but there's something about this combination. This is a 14-ounce container. What you're gonna do is just open your container of candy corn with that marshmallow flavor, and you're going to put in however much you want to put into your bowl. I'm just going to do it all. You can do half, you can do a little bit. Then, here it is, salted peanuts. It's 9 ounces. We're going to do it all. Okay, so 9 ounces of peanuts and 14 ounces of the candy corn. And honestly, y'all, I don't know. It's kind of like the idea of peanuts and Coke. I don't know why that's good, but it just is. Dropping peanuts. If you're from the South, you know what I'm talking about. Now, this may have been a little bit too many peanuts, but I like a lot more nuts than the candy corn. And then you're going to taste it. And and you have to get some of each. Like, my ratio is 2 peanuts to a piece of candy corn. That combination. And I wouldn't be caught dead eating candy corn by itself. That is so good. Now, I got this little jar at a thrift store, and it's got a scene on it. And on the bottom it says winter, and it's got a little scene of people ice skating. Okay, I've got other season jars, and I don't know where they are because we've moved and I can't find them yet. So I'm gonna put it in this winter jar. And I love these measuring spoons so very much. I use them all the time. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna keep this in an airtight container, or so you can serve it in your pretty little wooden bowl. And it's gonna keep for a while. I mean, it'll keep through the season, well, until people eat it all. Okay, there it is. There is our easy peasy little snack. And I guess that means I have to snack on some of this other here. It's good, y'all. Happy fall, y'all. Count your blessings.